Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Getting Saucy with Cece. So today we're going to make a rendition of a turkey pot pie, my three favorite things. And last night we made turkey, and I have some leftovers, and I love repurposing food. I have some leftover stuffing and lots of leftover mashed potato. And, of course, leftover turkey, okay? So we are going to make a turkey pot pie, and we're going to do today's turkey pot pie in phyllo pastry. Now, this has always been a crowd pleaser. It's a family fave, and there's usually not any leftovers. So if I do have leftovers and I make it into a turkey pot pie, it's gone. So let's get started. Oh, and I have a few extra vegetables that I'm going to throw in. So I have here a yam, a sweet potato, a few carrots, an onion, celery, and some broccoli. Okay, so we're going to just chop all this stuff up here and get that reducing in a pan so we can start putting it all together and make this beautiful creation. So bear with me as I start chopping. Okay, and that's it. We have it, folks. That is what we're going to start reducing in the pan. So walk with me over here. We're going to go over here and keep cooking. Okay, so let's get this started here in the pan here. We're going to turn on the heat. And I like to put a little bit of butter and olive oil in, just to get that nice flavor. And as that heats up, we are going to put all of this in there, just to reduce it down a little bit. Oh, and while this is heating up, folks, it wouldn't be Getting Saucy with Cece without, I love to cook with wine, and sometimes I do put it in the food. Let's put that over there. Oh, that's nice. Okay. You can see it's starting to melt nice in the pan. And I will be putting up at the end of the video a list of ingredients that I use for this turkey pot pie. And don't be shy to try different things if you have different ingredients in your house. Now, to help this reduce, I'm going to put in about a cup and a half of, well, normally I would use like a chicken broth in there, but I have this, which is better than bouillon. Really good stuff. Anyways, I'm going to mix this with some hot water, a cup and a half worth, and put it in there. The seasoning that I'm going to use today is a spicy pepper medley. This is one of my favorites. It just gives such a nice savory taste to everything. We're going to use some sage. Oh, this is new. I'm going to say about a tablespoon of sage. Okay, folks, so you can see that this has simmered nicely. Take a look at this. Everything simmered down beautifully. What we're going to do is, this is a nice and easy way. Sometimes I'll make a homemade roux, but today, to save a little bit of time, I am using just an Alfredo sauce, and I'm going to add this in here. Mix that up. We just want a little bit of moisture. We don't want it too runny. So we're going to add the turkey to it now. So here's the leftover turkey from last night. I'm going to add this to here. Okay, you see how it's all blended so nicely, so easy? We're going to take it over here. Let me get some oven mitts and turn this baby off. And let's head this way. Come on, let's go. OMG, folks, take a look at that. Yummy. Okay, so that is going to go inside of our turkey pot pie. This is what we're going to make it in. And I'll just move the lid over there. This is the phyllo pastry. And no, I didn't make it. And maybe I could, but maybe I don't want to. So how's that? So this comes from the frozen food section, and you just have to let it thaw for a few hours, which I did earlier. So the trick with phyllo pastry is they say in between the layers that you should actually, stroke it with a bit of butter. So I'm going to put a bit of butter in this is about a 1/4 cup. We're just going to melt that off. Okay? Bear with, oh, you know what? This is a perfect time. Getting saucy with Cece. I have enough time for another drink. This is why we do the things we do. Oh, I think that will continue to melt. It's a little nice and hot, you see, like that. Okay. We're going to start by, so the whole idea is to cover the bottom and let the edges kind of flow out and over. So once we stuff it with what we want to stuff it with, we're going to fold it over, and that is our turkey pot pie. Now I'm going to tell you up front, I like to cook with love. So, and my kids are always saying, I like to cook with cheese, and it keeps them coming home. But other people say, the kids will never leave if you keep cooking with cheese. So, and this is what you're supposed to do with phyllo, is just to get that buttery flavor in between the layers. And you know what? There's no precision, and you don't have to be exact. It's just to get those flavors in there. And this is kind of the fun, creative part. So what I have here is Parmesan cheese. I put it in a grinder here, and I'm just going to put a little bit in the layer here. Okay, so just so and that's my secret. So let's start stuffing. So here I have the leftover potato, and I have the leftover stuffing. So what I like to do, if I have leftover stuffing, and everybody in my family likes stuffing, and you don't have to add it in, it's, it's a personal preference, but top it with a little more. Oh, look how good that looks. And I'm going to start folding it in. And as I fold it in and do a few layers, I'm gonna bring the butter back out. We've got a little bit left here. Okay, we're just gonna add a little bit to the layers. And why not mix a little bit more in between here? And you can get really creative on how you want to decorate the top of. And a little bit left on the top. So there we have it, folks. It's going to go in the oven now and be ready in about 45 minutes. So stay tuned. Hang with us. OMG, take a look at this. It looks so good. And nothing but goodness. So this is getting saucy with Cece, but oh my gosh, look what I have here. What goes really good with wine? But a little bit of cheese. So don't forget to click the like and subscribe button. It does help the channel. And I hope you enjoyed this as much as we do tonight. And I don't think there's going to be any leftovers. So cheers, next time.